Tired of investigations that drag on and miss the real issue? Meet 5Wise Pro, the digital facilitator for root cause analyses. With 5Wise Pro, every deviation investigation is fast, consistent, and FDA-ready. See how simple the execution flow is. Start with a clear deviation problem statement that auto-saves as your title. It's straightforward. Use the structured grid for the classic 5Wise execution. Y1, Y2, up to Y5, root cause auto-highlighted. Track proposed corrective actions and set status instantly: open, in progress, or closed. It's all organized. Break the solution into real tasks: description, responsible person, due date, priority, and progress percentage. Experience real-time visuals with powerful dashboard metrics and easy export options for thorough audit trails. With 5Wise Pro, say goodbye to weak investigations. Get it now at www.pharmanextic.com.